Stanbic Bank, board chairman, chief executive, top person management of my doers. What's the best maybe some points.
Stanbic here we hear be of Stanbic aha ene na yeti asembi le mi edu kakra ansa de yeti asem so na nka benfo na twen ho se edwuma ne se de sitia ne se na Asantehene etimi akwo edwuma no ka fiwe dia benfo nko bodi na komendo Asantehene komase ha ne asem kesi bishe yete so intimi atras intimi ne yaba ba bi bisase yete sa so a e mu ye intimi acha intimi bacho very funny wahala the very self introduction never started free the board chairman
from TV admission board chairman
That's it.
Chief executive. Natural, my boss, you know, on shouldn't teach you. And what you could speak Chi if you want to. English is also accepted.
Thanks. Hamid Engelbrecht, Regional Chief Executive.
My friend is Sarah Mary Frimpong, non-executive director.
Patrol within the Robert Darko say, also a non-executive director.
Patrol within the Johnny Kofi Basie, this me a non-executive director.
Patrol friend is Doreen, yes, the head of legal.
Patrol within the Amazon for Family and System Company Secretary.
Patrol within the Abiana Nelson, the head of internal control.
Patrol within the Musa Abdallah, the head of corporate investment banking.
Patrol within the Victor Yabuamin, share Simpson.
Patrol within the Benjamin Mensah, and I'm share private banking in Africa regions.
My name is Andrew Mashanda from Zimbabwe. I'm the head of business banking for Africa. Actually, Chief Information Officer.
Chair, friend mine include Abby.
Patrol friend Benjamin Ahulu, when I repair operations.
Patrol Felicity Osafo Sampo, I'm the chief risk officer.
Patrol within the Yvonne Ketia Sari, the officer governance.
Patrol, referring Margaret to being paid, when I'm a share private bank, so Ghana. Patrol, referring in a little case, in my executive office.
Patrol, within the Amos, William Abedu, the marketing department.
And I friend AC Kramama, when I'm a share board, any escrow only in our house.
We did the Mao.
What's the side of credit? The man more, I'm saying, I know you're the trouble.
That's I didn't see you. Then they had the whole. But I'm not sure it'd be me. I'm so glad I said before a while. The end to me so much. Then I'm more friend when I said, we tell you to be living at all. And I said, we're not going to I remember 2 years. As a man, I want to say, the new brother is in a year. The new brother, and a man wants to find the sin a year. Master, the man in our city. The year I said, I don't want. The year which we are away. No better answer. I'm not going to buy the answer to say 7 days. Or 7 1 million by a was also come on. And I'm going to tell you that we did do him. The what to do, and the correct. The million by as about 100 was on. And the man as a dear man. Not every rules.
I did patch on the chairman, Stanbic for you. So, yet say, you be son, you walk away on crack because intimate manner, intimate by your own qua, in tea. You crab, schnapps crack. Nay, me may be my boy, the better or whatever banner. But Shane, what she cheap. Now, you sign a crab, a can cry the babwa. Papa no she's castle or she's castle. No, I don't am my this gaga credit about the county. Say, I hope whatever better feet.
So, Your Highness, distinguished kinsmen, colleagues from Standard Bank, I opted to speak English for the benefit of my boss so that at least when I go back, I still have a job. I still have a job. And I know we have some colleagues who are traveling from other parts of the country. But it is indeed a great honor for us to have been given the opportunity to come and express our condolences to the Royal Highness. As my colleague Malco had shared, we had planned probably 6 months ago to host our board strategy session in Kumasi from 2 principal reasons. First, to deepen the bonds that we have established as a business and as an organization with Asantehene. And then second, because of the personal relationship that Otumfuo has had with the bank. It was a relationship that I inherited, but thankfully that relationship has grown from strength to strength. But thirdly and most importantly, the size of the Ashanti cluster to our business. We felt it was a good way to honor Asantehene by hosting it here. Unbeknown to us, the strategy had befallen, and so it was only proper that we come properly to come and express our condolences. The bank is deeply grateful for the partnership that we've enjoyed with Otumfuo. At short notice, he always receives us, and we appreciate it. We feel the best way we can continue to honor this relationship is to make sure that the Ashanti Kingdom continues to produce very, very strong results. The entire bank remains fairly rooted behind this, and we do hope that we can continue to uphold this tradition. It is our hope and request that as the funeral announcements or funeral arrangements become clearer and defined, we're informed so that we can come and join Asantehene in mourning the loss that has befallen. So on behalf of my board chair, today I'm having to leave because I have my board chair and my boss, the regional chief executive, other members of the board who are here, and my colleagues on the executive committee, and other members of senior management. But we want to say a big thank you and extend our deepest condolences on the loss. So thank you very much.
said there, I got the children said, to the city, from the group, there's a been free now come with a chair. I don't know, so we've been free now, what if we've been free now, no, so said, cutting out, so say, yeah, both of it, once a minute, it's in there, once I go for. So my young son would be snaps, and I said, this one, I hope you will leave here. My woman is a very hard number touch you. But once I did, my dear would do, I said, the teacher would I will find out one moment, and they said, the bank was a soup. So, won't maintain sense of my Yabo, and I'll be to make good that can be by it.
Sure.
Sure.
Nti akasa nke ade de agigi sika na ka ho besia ne agye.
Sure.
Simi da wo maso ko ba pasa. Eti abro de no mu nyina agya pipi ase e ba ba hwe.
Sure.
Se no kre ne twaka da ne Stanbic bank mo dia yeti se menhia no wo ma ya de pro no se.
Sure.
Me show mo kon so se be twa so ha se de se chi. Abro de se chame ka ne te se we are who be ye.
Sure.
Nipa, a Jew baby no abra, we are who she in teenage Sanson Abba.
Sure.
Banti, Pena, a bayan shishan, a yen shishan, so I be Martina, be ambitious, Baba.
Sure.
Say a bank then board meeting no more in your Senate, Mugasabe, and I'm more traveling. So, some bay and who some more.
Sure.
So, this adoration on here. Chairman, dear lectures, or no more Bania in the command.
Joe.
About name David Babano. David Babano, but some said, not me, any bank, no more.
Joe.
And the money has to be a person.
Joe.
And the boss from South Africa, we thank you for coming actually, and I hope you continue to support the local bank.
Sure.
I think you leave them to struggle here in Ghana, and that you should be able to take whatever it is that you're doing. I want you to do. Your good is not good enough. Do it more.
Sure.
But it's a good strategic bank here, and if they are supported properly and appropriately, it will enhance your development for Standard Bank generally.
Sure.
So I hope and pray that you give them the support, because listening to the people assembled here, competent people, more qualified people, and who have the experience and knowledge to do it.
Sure.
Locally, we don't have the economic might to do it. So we count on you to support them with various support in terms of SMEs and others that they can do. Because often now and then, if they are capitalizing from within, 400 million and all those things is something that is normal, but you can do more.
Sure.
We tell them to also be able to build the economy for us. So other than that, buying treasury bills and all those, the bank making money buying treasury bills, it doesn't help the economy.
Sure.
In any way, it doesn't. And so if they are more capitalized better, they can also go to the industrial section and everything so that they can help. So you being the boss for the here, you tell the top, other than when I come to South Africa, invite me there for me to talk to them.
Sure.
To support them. Anyway, thank you very much for coming.
Sure.